How to turn off notification for WhatsApp or how to turn off WhatsApp notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off WhatsApp notifications. Now if you are tired of the notifications of WhatsApp, here is how you can disable it. Simply open up your WhatsApp application. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen that you can see there, and then tap on the settings. Once you tap on settings, you can see there below the chat option that the notifications options, right? Simply tap on it, and here you'll get the notification option for every single option. Here you can see conversation tones, you can disable it. Use high priority notifications, you can disable it. Reaction notifications and such for groups and for messages as well. Now if you want to turn off the notification for the WhatsApp application as a whole, just what you want to do is you want to head into the app icon there. You can search for your under apps the app icon, tap and hold there, and you'll get the eye icon beside the WhatsApp. Here you can see the eye icon. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be headed into the app info page here, right? Now here you can see the first option, that notifications. You want to tap on it, and if your notifications is toggled on, you want to simply toggle this off, the allow notifications option, and every single notification will turn off and you'll not get notification of any kind from WhatsApp. So this way you can simply turn off notifications for WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.